Hi, I'm Jan from VelomobileWorld.com and we shoot here a maintenance video, so have fun. In this video I want to show you how to adjust the steering cardan. This is very important because if you have play on it, you will constantly go from left to right and you feel there's play on the steering. If you over-tight it, you cannot drive in a straight line because every time the bike wants to go from left to right. So this is a very, very important thing to do well. Of course, in reality the steering is there, but because of the light we cannot film there. So we choose to make a small video outside on the workbench to show you the principles how to adjust the steering cardan. So the aim of this adjustment is that if you have it in the hand, there's no play and it goes really easy. You can see it goes by its own weight down. Here it doesn't go by its own weight, but it's very, very easy going and without play. So that's the aim. So what we do, we have a key 10 and an inbus 5, I think it is. And we have here a nut, and there we have fillet in it, so we can tight it. So now I untied it and I have a lot of play. So what I do, I turn this one until I have no play anymore. So it goes really easy. And now I hold with the inbus, I hold the screw stationary and I tied it. And now I check, like, okay, now it goes a little bit too heavy. So what I do, I just untied this screw. But because if I tied this already too much, I have to untie this a little bit, turn it a little bit, goes really light, it goes without play. And now again, I tied it, it goes still very light and without play. So it needs to go light, really light. I think this is even a little bit too. But you can see if I drop it, it goes really easy. But still I would do it a little bit, that it goes a little bit easier. And I did that by just turning this against the friction of the two tight nuts. And now I have like, okay, this goes really light, so, and without play. So that's the way how you adjust this one, and this one you do it exactly the same way. So no play, but have it a little bit, so no play and go easy. It's better if you cannot manage to have it easy, better to have accept a little bit play, because otherwise it's really hard to keep your Velomobile on a straight line. I hope you enjoyed the videos about the maintenance. If you have still some ideas, please let them in the comments. But before you put comments, have a look to the other videos. Maybe we uploaded your question already. Don't forget to subscribe and have fun. See you next time.